So suppose you were going to give an exit ticket of 2 questions. So I gave 2 questions, and this is my answer key. Number 1 is 2, and number 2 is 4. Just a simple, something quick that I can grade. And let's say that number 1 covers something concept A, and number 2 covers something concept B, both of which were taught during my lesson. Or maybe A was like step 1, and B was like if you could extend it. So when I go through and I grade, it really is more about grouping. So I would put student 1, hey look, student 1 got both concept A and concept B correct. Student 2, excuse me, got number 1 correct but 2 wrong. Student 3 did the opposite, and they understood number 2 but not number 1. And student 4 missed both questions. So then I would just keep sorting those. This one got both of them right. This one only got number 2 right. This one only got number 1 right. This one got neither right. This one also got neither right. Let's see, this one got both right. This one only got number 2 right, and this one only got number 1 right. Now this is a perfect world, of course, where they all perfectly fell into 4 categories. But the idea is that just means that student 1, student 5, and student 10, I'm going to call them for an extension because they are understanding both of these concepts, and that means I need to probably move them forward or find something to extend upon. Students 2, 7, and 12 are understanding concept A, but they're not getting concept B. So that's something I can just pull those and just focus on concept B. Student 3, 6, and 11, they need some help on concept 1, or A, excuse me. And then these last ones, these are the ones I'm going to want to try to intervene as soon as possible because they are struggling. They are getting nothing correct so far on just that one day. So before we move on, I need to make sure that I can talk to them maybe the next day during the warm-up. Now, if you're worried about, okay, what about my virtual students? Well, your virtual students could have done this virtually through maybe a Google form, and they can be sorted so much faster than you can even do. But in your face-to-face class, this is just a fast example of how you could use 2 questions to sort into 4 different columns. I hope you enjoyed it.